our local destinations, like of course continuously helping them promote, especially one in Boracay, in Palawan, Bohol, and now of course some parts of Siargao.
I noticed that we don't have a representative from the Department of Tourism.
Sir, they will be there during the opening of the event.
Okay, so kamusta po ang ating last question? Kamusta po ang ating industry, tourism industry?
Sir, of course ngayon medyo alam niyo naman because of the ongoing sa country natin. Of course, mahirap pero we're still doing fine naman po. I don't know with our exhibitors. Maybe they can answer that also.
Yes, maybe we can talk about hotel accommodation, bookings, etc. Inbound, outbound, etc.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm
Manila
from
Hotel.
the Manila Hotel. So to answer your question, sir, we are very supportive of the activities of the Department of Tourism and Tourism Promotions Board. We actually have a team right now in, I think, Nagoya for the Tourism Expo Japan. So we actually will, to speak for the Manila Hotel and Manila Prince Hotel, our sister property, we have captured international market. So I think we're doing fine with regards to accommodations for rooms and of course our dining outlets at the hotel for both properties.
Yes.
For GDS Travel Agency, yes, it's doing great. We have a branch in China, so we're bringing Chinese clients or people here in the Philippines to travel and do a business with our fellow countrymen. And yeah, we're thankful because this Travel Expo is being big impact to our business as well as to market to different parts in China to bring people here in the Philippines.
Thank you, thank you.
Yun po, na-offeran din po sila ng discount, but mas malaki pong discount when it comes to Expo po.
I just want to ask yung Royal Caribbean also, di ba? Parang hindi lahat nakaka-afford to have. Maraming gustong mag-cruise, pero hindi lahat makakapag-travel because ang mahal-mahal. Ano po yung may offer ng Royal Caribbean sa mga press? Hindi na sa press.
Sa mga press?
Hindi na sa mga traveler.
Okay. So thank you for that question. Actually, I'm very excited to answer that. So for Royal Caribbean, I'd like to build on what TravelMate said. So we have exciting offers in store for you. You can only get them during the World Travel Expo. And at the same time, what I really want to share is that cruising is now up for grabs. Meaning, kaya abot kamay na siya. So before, probably, when we think of cruising, it's very expensive, luxurious. But what I really, even I tried my first cruising, you just need to understand, be it buffet, fine dining, a pizza place, a cafe, name it all. So I personally, I'm very, very excited for you, sir, and for everyone to experience, really. It's a lifetime of a bucket list in your lifetime. So it's about time already to try cruising. It's now, you can get it on easily. So you just need to understand what's in store. It's very comparable to a land tour. So I'm sure our travel partners and our travel friends can already attest to it. So I'm very excited and thank you for that question.
Must for everyone, especially travel expos. And we have a question